Hey everybody, it's Michelle from Cruisin with the Colemans, and today we're going to take a tour of the Coachmen Apex 244 RBST. You can see right away, I'm in the middle of the coach, and this is the living space. This is going to be your kitchen, your dining room, and your couches, your entertainment center. It's a great big open space, and you can even make it more open by just putting the dining room table away. Look at this. So by putting this in, making it a little bit smaller, we've got even more space in this coach. So let's look around. When it comes to the kitchen area, this is your dedicated kitchen area. You've got nice, big, deep counter space, big farm sink. You've got 3 drawers. I don't have enough drawers in my RV. How about you? I don't know. I love that there are 3 drawers, a big open cabinet, 3 cabinets up above. Behind me is my pantry. I like this. Oh my gosh, it is a deep pantry. I'm going to have to put some small child in there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to have to put some big tubs in there or something. That's great. I love it. And then over here, the refrigerator opens this way. It's a 12-volt refrigerator, meaning you don't have a compressor in your fridge or freezer, so you've got more space. It also means it can run off of the solar. So Coachmen Apexes come with solar, which is great. And if you upgrade to some lithium batteries, you could go a whole weekend and not have to worry about your refrigerator. The stove is a 3-burner stove with propane. It's an air fryer oven. So all the chicken nuggets and french fries you could think about when camping, and I'm telling you, what better food is there when camping? Okay, let's go back to the bedroom. Look at how big these windows are. First of all, feel that sunshine. As we move into the front of the coach, this is the master bedroom. It's a couple's coach, so it's the only bedroom. You've got cabinetry that goes all the way across. There are 4 doors, but the cabinet goes all the way across. You have hanging storage, and the shelf that's in the middle of the storage closet, you can actually move and just put down to the bottom, so you can hang or you can have more shelf space. Speaking of shelf space, right back here is a little shelf. It does fold down, and there is USB outlet and a regular outlet back there. So you've got hidden storage, which I think is really great. I also like, there's a nice little drawer here. We don't have this in our coach, and what I really like about this is it's a place for all of the little things like keys maybe, or wallet, whatever that you just need to have a space for. And if I set it on the little shelf in front, then in the morning I might kick it or whatever. So
Don't you know you're never supposed to open someone's nightstand drawer?
Well, it's empty. Thank you. Haha. Okay, but before we, we got TV backer here, so you can put whatever TV you want in here, or no TV at all. And then before we leave, let's lift up the bed, because this is where the magic is. Under the bed. All right, under here, this cushion says this is where you can sit. It's got 1 drawer here. It's got 2 drawers on the other side. So you've got a place to sit down, put your shoes on, or just have more room to get dressed. And I like that about this. Windows on both sides, so you're going to get a nice cross breeze in this coach. And that's the bedroom. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Have I mentioned storage space? Look at all of this. We have a ton of storage space. We have 2 drawers, cabinet under the sink. We've got 3 cabinets here. We have cabinets above the sink. When I ask for storage from Coachmen Apex, they deliver. And I appreciate it, because when someone says, what are you going to take and put in your RV? You need to say, I've got all the things. All right, when it comes to the toilet test, honestly, I mean, besides the fact that it's a plastic toilet, which is what you're going to get in all Apexes, I would give it 4 out of 5. I've got plenty of elbow room. I got a nice view if I wanted to leave the door open. But overall, I love this bathroom. I really like how much storage space. I wish the bathroom sink was bigger, but I say that about all bathroom sinks. But then I'd be saying, oh, I wish I had more counter space. So basically what I'm saying is I'm a woman who wants it all. Now, let me get in the shower and tell you about that. So one of the things Coachmen did is they raised the roof on their RVs, so it's higher by 4 inches. And from what I hear, size matters. You got plenty of height. You got a really nice shower head, and I feel like you just have plenty of space. Now, I'm not a big fan, I will say, of where the shelf is in here, because it cuts into
my elbow on that all the time.
Yeah, I just realized that. So you got to get in. When you're buying an RV, you got to get in. Hopefully you don't have a big bulky coat on like I do. But yeah, this is actually quite narrow to stand in. So make sure if you're buying an RV, you stand in the shower and see how you feel. Okay, noted. I'm not a big fan of the shower. I would only give it 1 shower head out of 5.
One
Are we doing?
squirt.
Oh my. All right, let's go look outside. We made it outside. It's cold here at the Tampa RV show, so be happy you're watching this on video and not standing here in this freezing cold right now. This coach is just under 30 feet and just over 6,000 pounds. It's got 200 watts of solar on top, so that'll help you with that refrigerator. And one of the things I really like about the new rig in 2026 is this drop frame. So your pass-through space is huge. Now you could add one of those wheeled, what are they called, Brian? The wheeled
Roll-out tray.
pull-out tray, and you've got plenty of space in here. But I also really like one other thing they've done, and that's the Nautilus board upgrade. So let's go look on the other side to see it.
Hey, by the way, there's also charge controller here, and the whole thing is prepped for an inverter. There's the wiring access right above. All you have to do is install it right there on the wall if you're going to upgrade to lithium batteries.
All right, we found some sunshine to show you this Nautilus board. So we've got our outdoor shower right here. It's prepped for Starlink. We have a battery shut off, and you've got directions right here, so it's easy to take care of adding water to your fresh tank, and also winterizing is super easy with the Nautilus board. It's all right here in one area. So they did a nice job with that. These recliners like to fully recline, and that's what I'm gonna do now that I've given you a tour. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. USB ports, shelf on this side, comfortable recliners. I've got great view of with all of these windows, front door, the TV, and let's see, does it fully recline? Yeah, it does. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe, like, and follow all of our adventures. We appreciate you.
You gonna like take a nap now or something?
Yeah, I am. See you later.